Hello everyone, I'm Miss Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. Have you read the writing concerning lifetime zone by any chance? The other day, I was just surfing online and found this paragraph by accident. I put the links in the description box below, so check this out. This short paragraph really inspired me a lot to talk about what I'm thinking about the right time of my lifetime. Reading this, I could apply this idea to everything in my life so far. There are lots of good metaphors in this short writing, but the gist is that you all have your own time zone and you don't have to compare yourself with others. Let me talk about my case, for example. I felt early when I got a job at 22, but I eventually ended up retiring at the age of 28 in that field. On the other hand, a friend of mine had kept failing getting a job in his 20s, but he finally got a stable and a way better job than I used to have in his 30s. Now, he says he's fully happy with his both job and life. I felt quite early when I got married at 27, but somehow I felt late when I was in my 30s with no baby, while lots of friends had babies as soon as they got married in their early 30s. Like this, I've never been late or fast. I've merely been in my lifetime zone. To welcome the highlight of my lifetime, I must keep up my work all the time, waiting for my right time, because we're all working based on our time zone. There's this star YouTuber, Bang Mangye, Korea Grandma in Korea, and she is an amazing creator. I'm a huge fan, so I bought the book that she published last year. I was able to learn about her personal history in her book, and it literally made me cry. Standing the whole hardships and adversities in her life, she ended up being a YouTuber at the age of 71, and now she is nailing it. Sundar, the CEO of Google, wanted her, so they had a meeting in the States, and now you can even see her as a TV commercial star for a Subway sandwich, bank, cosmetics, as well as tons of internet advertisements. Every time I read her book, I feel like she says, "Never give up. I, 71-year-old grandma, overthrew the world. It's your turn." I bet she wouldn't have imagined being an internet star earlier, but she never gave up anything and met the highlight of her lifetime in her 70s, or not yet. With a lesson from Lifetime Zone writing and Korea Grandma, Bang Mangye, I hope you guys would live your own life based off your time zone, because your life is just like this. New York is 3 hours ahead of California, but it does not mean that California is slow or that New York is fast. Thanks for watching my short talk drawing video, and I'll be back with another picture. Bye!